found it is with profound sadness and a heavy heart that we write to express our deepest condolences on the passing of Pastor Joseph Okidi of the Bible Fountain Ministries. Words cannot express the sorrow felt by those whose lives he touched. Yet we are comforted by the assurance that he now rests in the presence of God. He was the first team leader at House of Prayer in 2010, 2011. He also worked and served as the first head teacher of Favor High School. That was from 2021 to 2023. He served as a teacher and a head teacher. We are so grateful for Pastor Joseph, his heart for the people, his gentle spirit, and he always brought encouragement and peace wherever he went. Today, as Favor of God Ministries, we are launching a foundation in honor of Pastor Joseph Okidi. We are calling it Pastor Joseph Okidi Memorial Sponsorship Foundation, to a father, a mentor, a leader, a preacher of the gospel, a gospel artist, a friend, a songwriter, a farmer, a builder, an interpreter, and a man of true worship. As I summarize this letter, just hold it there. The management of Favor of God Ministries gave a contribution of 1 million shillings condolence to the committee in Gulu. But today I've also come with a total condolence of 1.567 million shillings that we are channeling to Mama Susan and the children. Please come and we'll have a photo together. Now, let me explain the foundation briefly because of time. The firstborn of the late Pastor Joseph Okidi is a student at Favor High School who has been sitting senior 4 exams. And so as we launch this foundation today, he is going to be sponsored in A level for 2 years. And we also will extend the same support to any student who loses a parent while with us at Favor High School. So the foundation will continue being a blessing to several lives in honor of Pastor Joseph Okidi. Allow me to bring greetings from our director, board director, and our country director, Mama Terry, who is not here with us. The country director, Mama Terry, the administration and all that stuff. Thank you so much. I think we can take a group photo.
Amen. Thank you. Yes, and thank you very much. As they take a group photo, I want us to hear brief remarks from the LC5. And then